Welcome to the DNA podcast. In this episode, we explore the Kármán Line, the invisible boundary that marks the edge of space and defines when a journey officially becomes space travel. Understanding this invisible boundary helps explain why not every high-altitude flight is considered a journey into space. The Billionaire Space Travel Month will see a second private endeavor as the wealthiest of the world attempt to kickstart space tourism. While the feats of both the billionaires are historic, there's an ongoing debate about what space is, and if where the Virgin Galactic spaceplane traveled and where the Blue Origin rocket is set to reach can be termed as space. Several experts and space enthusiasts have put out their views, with some disputing the claims. Big names include astrophysicist of global fame, Neil deGrasse Tyson. So, here's an explanation of the Kármán Line, which is the widely accepted boundary between Earth's atmosphere and space, and where the billionaires' spaceflights stand with respect to it. Kármán Line is the internationally recognized boundary of space, which lies around 100 kilometers above mean sea level. For comparison, the International Space Station orbits around 330 to 410 kilometers above MSL. Named after aerospace pioneer Theodore von Kármán, the line is compared to international waters with no national boundaries and human laws in force beyond the point. However, the US considers 80 kilometers above MSL as the cutoff point for Earth's atmosphere. Richard Branson's spaceflight on the Virgin Galactic VSS Unity went till a height of 86 kilometers. This is below the Kármán Line, and hence the claim of space travel has been disputed by some. On the other hand, Jeff Bezos's Blue Origin New Shepard rocket aims to go as high as 106 kilometers, which will take him beyond the Kármán Line and any contention around if he did reach space or not. In fact, right before Branson's flight, Blue Origin posted on Twitter stating, "From the beginning, New Shepard was designed to fly above the Kármán Line, so none of our astronauts have an asterisk next to their name." Is the Kármán Line really the edge of space? Researchers from the University of Calgary measured the edge of space at 118 kilometers above sea level in 2009. Their claim is based on a study of the winds of Earth's atmosphere and the flow of charged particles in space. Another study, performed by Jonathan C. McDowell from Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, stated 80 kilometers as a more appropriate boundary in a paper published in 2018. McDowell said the choice of Kármán Line as the boundary was a nice round figure, but more studies were needed from a physical point of view. Thank you for tuning in to this podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating tales from India and beyond.